Hi everyone. This purpose of this video is to show students different ways to look up certain values from big set of data.
We will tell you which method is most effective depending on what you're looking for from the dataset. VLOOKUP has multiple functions. One of the main functions that it helps us do is to find a certain value in a large dataset according to one criteria. For example, if you wanted to find the adjusted close on the first date of this dataset, which is June 30th, 2016, you would enter equals VLOOKUP after clicking in the date that you were provided. You will see listed, it says lookup value. That is where you're going to reference the date. Then table array. Now you're going to reference the entire table from which you are pulling data from. Finally, index number. This is the column that you want to pull the data from out of the table array. So A is column 1, B2, C3, D4, 5, 6, 7. Now you have range lookup. If you want an exact match or an exact value, you would type 0. For most cases in this class, you will only need to type 0. After closing your parentheses, pressing enter, you are provided with the adjusted close 7/15 on the first date, 6/30/2016. If you have a small data set where each value is only represented by one other criterion, you can use ctrl find. Ctrl F. Then a box appears. Now you can type in what you want. For example, Colorado. If you want to figure out how many students attended the first game in the Pac-12, you can search the team name according to the dataset. Now that Colorado is found, after pressing enter, it pulls up the value, and then it's easy to find. Some cases where this would not be a good model to use is if there are repeat values. Now that we clicked over to the second dataset, if we hit Control Find again, and type in the same value, Colorado, and then click Next, it says Colorado Buffaloes at the bottom, as well as at the top. If you scroll up, you will see that there are 2 Colorado Buffaloes. However, it only pulled up 1. This would be a bad instance to use the control find function, but if the dataset is small enough, it is an excellent and easy function to use. Another tool that you can use to find the data point in a certain data set is the filter function. And it's not exactly a function more than a tool. In order to use the function, what you can do is highlight the entire data set that you want. Then under the data tab, you can click filter. From there, you will see small drop-down arrows appear. If you wanted to find the open price to see which open price happened on particular days, you can do the filter. After it loads, it will provide you with all the data points that exist. But instead of doing that, what you can do is you can simply type in a data number that you want. For example, 7/15. Now you can just hit enter or OK. And now, since it's such a large data set, it may take some time to load. But now you see all of the dates that are present with 7/15. This is a great function if you just want to figure out a certain date, or if you want to see the other close prices, volume, adjusted close, and trends overall.